So under performance, right? Click on this settings. Settings. Okay. So some options, your Windows operating system doesn't allow, the remote person. So I connected to your machine remotely, right? So it will not allow me to choose some options. That is expected, guys, in Windows operating system. Now go to data execution prevention. You only have to do that, Suraj. Yeah. So now turn on DEP is enabled, right? So this is what it is talking about, data execution prevention. Okay. Now select this essential Windows services. Turn on DEP for all programs and service except those I selected. So this is what data execution prevention is. So basically what does it do is, observe here, DEP, what does it do? It helps protect you against damage from viruses and other security threats, right? So I'll explain this in detail. I have actually one slide deck, separate slide deck on this. So you can ignore that for time being and continue with recording. Click on cancel, Suraj. Yeah. Okay. Click OK. Yeah, and go to the recording once. 1 second. Let me minimize this settings. Yeah. Go to the browser. Right. Let me close this control panel also. And enter your application URL now in the browser, right? So this is your application URL, localhost 1080, right? webtools/index.htm. And observe here, you see some event count is increasing. Observe here, there are two things here. Recording events is increasing. Guys, let me. So you see here, recording events is increasing and there is a timer running here. This is nothing but a timer. Okay. Now this number should be increasing when you are recording a script. Otherwise, it indicates that there is some issue with your LoadRunner installation. As simple as that. So that event should be increasing. Now this is home page, right? This is a home page of your application. Next, what is the next step? Next step is we need to click on sign up now, right? Now to identify each transaction, right? What I will do is I will keep some comments into the script. Click on this comments window. Suraj, can you click on that comments window? Let me highlight that. So this one, yes. Yeah, that one. Isn't it coming up? Hello, Suraj? I think you are on mute. Use Alt-A to unmute, Suraj. Or else, press and hold the space bar on your keyboard.
Sir, I started recording when you started the recording on your system, but my events are less because I didn't do anything because you are explaining in the program.
I'll come to your screen.
Okay.
Suraj, are you unable to open that comments? Okay, let me do one thing, Suraj. So I'll stop your screen share and I'll share my screen. I'll proceed on my machine.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me the steps, guys. Just now I explained you how to record a script, right? What is the next step? Click on give some name to the script and click on create. Right?
Solution name also.
I already gave that solution. I didn't give that solution name. Sorry, I didn't observe that. Fine, that's fine. So script name is important. This is mandatory. Okay. Solution name you can ignore it. That is optional. So okay. once you start your LoadRunner, right? So once you give some name to the script, right? So you'll see a window like this. You'll see Solution Explorer and the script window. Okay. So this is Solution Explorer and this is your script window. Fine. Right. Now, how to record a script? Click on this record button, right? This black color record button. And you'll get the start recording window, and choose your browser here, whatever you want to use the browser for, whatever browser you want to use for recording. Choose the browser and let me, so I won't give anything over here, and I click on start recording. And observe here, your LoadRunner tool will launch the browser, whatever you selected in the previous step, right? So browser will be launched, that browser will be launched by LoadRunner tool. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now we know, let me use this comments, okay? First I click on this, observe here, it is recording now, the events are increasing and the timer is running here. Now, if you want to stop recording, this is the button. This you should click that square shape button. If you want to pause recording, this is the button for that. And there is a drop down here. I'll explain this drop down later on. And first, let me insert a comment by clicking on this. Once you click on this, you should get a window like this, right? And now I shared the sheet to you, right, everyone? So just copy the comments from here. Copy this transaction name from here and go to comments. Click on the comments and enter the comments. Okay, 1 second. Enter number, step number followed by comment. So the first step is navigate to WebTools homepage. Click OK. And now enter the URL. Whatever URL I have provided here, right? So copy that URL and enter that URL in the browser. Right? Now you got the WebTools homepage, isn't it? Now go to the next step. So second step is click sign up now. That is the second step. Okay, click OK. You can see the same. You need not type it. You can copy paste from here. All right. I observe here. I opened in Chrome and I am using Firefox for recording. Or else you open Gmail in Firefox and use Chrome for recording. Anything is fine. Clear, guys? So once you click on sign up now, user registration page will be displayed. Right? Let me perform that step now. I am clicking on sign up now. That displays user registration page. What is the next step now? Enter profile details and click continue. This is the third step or third transaction. Go here, keep a comment, click OK, and enter the details. Okay. I will give as M-Pawan1 I already used for registering. Now I am using, that's why I'm changing the number here. And I'm giving password as password 2. And first name and last name, give the same thing. You can give the same, or else let me type here. Okay. Address 1, address 2. You can enter the city or state or zip. Anything is fine. You can enter either city or state or zip. Even if you enter some junk characters also, it will accept. Because this is a demo application, it will accept. Fine. So even if you give some numbers, some junk characters like this also, it will accept because this is a demo application only. I prefer to give this and click on continue button. Now application displays a confirmation message. I clearly gave the steps here, guys, right? So what happens after you perform each transaction? What happens? Application displays a confirmation message that registration is done. That's what you are seeing here, right? Thank you for registering and welcome to the WebTools family. What is the next step now? So click continue to login. That is the next step, isn't it? Fourth step. Yes. Is it fourth step only? That's fine. We can change the, if you miss some numbers, we can change it later. Okay, not an issue. Now I am clicking on continue button to login. Now see here, user logged into the application and it displays a welcome message. That's what I gave here. User will be logged into the application and application displays a welcome message. You liked it, guys? So I know, like this is I prepared a detailed document so that anyone even from a non-computer guy can understand how to record a script properly. So the next step is log out from the application. Fifth step. Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Sir, we have to write the comment box compulsory.
It's not mandatory, but if you keep comments, then you will understand. So once the script is ready, you will understand. So what is the purpose of keeping those comments? Now I am done with the with user registration. Now I am stopping the script recording. Now see here, virtual user generator is generating the script. Right. And now let's go to the script. So your script is ready. See here, your script is ready now. Oh, sorry, I did not change this, recording options. 1 second. Fine, I can do that. So, but your script is ready now. Observe here, navigate to WebTools homepage. Did anyone do that along with me by selecting those options? Whatever options I have done. Suraj, is your recording done?
No, sir.
Anyone completed recording, script recording? Yes, say yes or no.
No, sir. I completed, but my display was different from this. I said
Okay.
you
Can you
starting.
please share your screen? Yes, I know why. I know what is the reason. So basically, when in the recording options, so maybe I missed it to select this one. 1 second. I can fix that. 1 second. Let me show you. I'll explain this later, guys. There is something called regenerate script option. I'll show you exactly how does it look. Okay. Just give me a moment. Advanced. Go to headers. And actually, I asked you to select this. Do not record headers, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So, and now let me show you like how does it look. Yeah. Now this is how your script looks, right?
No, sir. My script was not looking like that.
So please share your screen.
Sir, I cannot comment, sir.
There should be some installation issues, so as we'll see that later. Okay.
Okay.
Can you please give me control, Karishma? I have sent a request to you. Can you please approve it? Yeah, I got the control. 1 second. So first maximize that and go to action. Okay. Did not record anything. Okay. Let me do one thing. Go to recording report. Recording report not available. You did not record, Karishma. I think you did not start this record button. Okay, let me set the recording options. Oh. I think you clicked on recording. Okay, that's fine. So let me, is your WebTools running? Yes, WebTools is running. So let me keep a comment. Wait. Are you clicking something? Seems like there is some keyboard issue on your machine. Okay, let me stop recording and just make sure that, okay, click continue. If you get this option, click continue. Stop recording. I just want to make sure that your recorded script contains no steps. Seems like there is some issue on your machine. We'll see that later, Karishma. Okay. I'll stop here. I asked you to select these options, but of course, this is not a blocker actually. The issue is not because of this. There should be some other issue. Do not select, do not record headers. And click OK over there. Are you seeing OK button, Karishma? Hey, Karishma, I am stopping your recording because we'll see that recording issue on your machine later on. Let me complete this script. All right. So this is how your script looks like, right? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Understand the script first. Let's understand the script first. See, these are nothing but comments, whatever. While recording the script, I entered some comments, right? These are those comments that got recorded. Okay. And so this is the request. Observe here, web_URL. So this is the URL that this is the application URL that we entered in the browser, isn't it? Localhost 1080 webtools index.htm. That is your webtools application URL, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Right? And next, so this is the first transaction that we did. First, we went to the index page, and then we clicked on. I entered a comment here. Click sign up now, and when I clicked on sign up now, this is the request that went to the server, isn't it? This is the request that went to the server. That's what it means, right? And next, and I will explain the other parts later. Other parameters of this function later, right? So, and web_URL, all these are LoadRunner inbuilt functions, right? So these are all inbuilt functions. Okay. And observe here, there is something called referrer. Referrer webtools home.html. I'll explain what is this referrer. Basically, once you go to webtools folder, right? See, observe here. So this is index.html. This is the main URL that we used. And observe here, your sign up now, where is this option there? If you click on view page source, right? This frame and view frame source. This is home.html actually. This part is home.html. Let me highlight that. So this part is home.html. This is nav.pl. I will explain that later, okay? This is header.html. I think I already explained this header.html. Yes or no?
Yes.
If not, I'll explain that later. Okay, don't worry about that at the moment. So we clicked on sign up now, right? And sign up now is there in this part, this home.html. Means from here we are referring from home.html, we are referring to sign up now. That's what this referrer means. In your script, right, there is something called referrer, right? So that is what your referrer means. Again, I will explain this again later on, okay? So if, right, first let's understand the script, right? And this is the third transaction. This is the, observe here, comments are in green color, right? And your script is in orange color and blue color, right? So it is using some color coding, okay? And observe here, whatever details I entered in the form are recorded here, isn't it? Username, M2, password 2, right? Password confirm, password 2. Whatever data I entered in the form, right? Registration form, you are seeing that over there. Yes or no? See this username, password, confirm password, first name, last name, street address, and all got recorded here. Whatever values you entered. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. So basically, what did the script? What did Vugen? What does Vugen do when you record the script? It is. Can you explain your understanding?
It is virtually generated what we have done physically in the application.
Okay. Yeah. Let me rephrase it. So it captured the HTTP traffic. Can we say like that? It recorded the HTTP traffic. Whatever request you sent from your browser to server was captured and it created a script. Does it make sense?
Yes, yes, sir.
Right? And next, once I click on continue to log in, right? We logged into the application here, right? And once we log out, I kept a comment here and I clicked on sign off. right? And this is the corresponding step for corresponding request for logging out from the application, right? So it recorded all the requests here in the script, right? Your script contains all the HTTP requests. Okay, you understood now why I explained that HTTP request and all this. So if I directly start script recording, will you understand anything here? Guys,
Yes, sir.
are you with me? Am I
Yes, sir, yes.
audible?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
you
You understood why I explained what is HTTP request, what is a request, what is response, what is request structure, and all this. If I directly, see, some trainers are, some people learn from their friends who are working on them. They directly show you the script recording. Okay. So, do you understand anything if I show you the script recording directly?
No.
And you should understand why, like what is HTTP request, what is right, and what is get method and all this. I'll show you that. Observe here in this script. So you see here something called method is equal to post. Right? You understood now why I spent that much time on covering the basics. I think we almost spent how many hours we spent till now on basics, guys? Let me go to your batch tracker. We almost spent 15 hours for basics, isn't it? And yesterday's session, I gave introduction to LoadRunner. We almost spent 15 plus hours on covering these basics, isn't it? So this is the reason. So now you should be able to understand, interpret the script to some extent. You see here that user registration form, when we submit the user registration details, that is a post method, and all other methods are get methods. So if you don't see that method parameter, that means this is you don't see any method parameter here. Line, this particular line is not there in other requests. That means those are get methods. If it is a post method, it will be shown here like this. Clear, guys? And you should know what is a post method, isn't it? What is meant by post method? You should know that. What is referrer, right? You should know all this. And these are called as name value pairs. And this one also I already explained in the performance testing fundamentals. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Let me go to that particular slide.